Hello, I'm Deborah Jones. Perhaps I've met you at a seminar where I've been teaching about embroidery. My father was a Western wear tailor, so I grew up in the embroidery business, and I love sharing my knowledge through books and teaching about embroidery. When people know you do embroidery, they often ask if you will do embroidery for them. Combined with the fact that this is a multi-billion-dollar annual business, may have you thinking about embroidery as a business. When you're going to do embroidery as a business, you need a commercial embroidery machine. The commercial embroidery machines have quite a few differences, and your business will revolve around your equipment choice. So it's important that you choose wisely. Most of us need the advantage of conserving our capital, our cash, when we're selecting equipment. We get everything we need with a RiCOMA machine to be able to accept any type of order, from shirts, jackets, bags, anything that you can think of. If a needle goes through it, you can do it with your RiCOMA machine. My RiCOMA does everything I ask of it reliably and consistently, and that's important. Plus, it comes with a full complement of hoops and supplies to get you started right out of the box. You might not be familiar with the RiCOMA name, so let me help you get acquainted. RiCOMA is a trusted name in embroidery systems in over 40 countries worldwide. RiCOMA's headquarters in the beautiful Doral area of Miami has a demo showroom, training facilities, and a fully stocked parts inventory. Unlike some other imported machines, RiCOMA owns their own factory and controls every aspect of production and quality control. That's one reason why they're able to offer a 5-year warranty, the best in the industry. Hoop sizes are larger on a true commercial machine. While you may not need a hoop this large every day, I've used mine for pageant sashes, horse coolers, emblems, many uses for this large frame, which is simply not available on some of the 6 and 10 needle crossover machines. This is a big benefit because it lets you make more money because you can accept virtually any job with confidence. What else comes with your RiCOMA machine? Let's take a look. RiCOMA lets you reach your goals faster because you pay less and produce more. It really is that simple. Imagine 12 or even 15 needles, automatic color changes, and automatic trimming. Embroidery has never been easier. You get 2 hoops each of 5 different sizes up to 12 inches by 12 inches. Plus, you get the giant 21-inch by 14-inch hoop. This means you can do everything from small to huge in the proper hoop size. And you have 2 of each size in your production sizes, so you always have the next item hooped and ready to load in the machine, making you efficient and profitable. Wide format 270-degree cap frame system has 2 frames. The wide format system gives you a larger stitching area than standard cap frames, letting you offer your customer more options. For example, you can embroider a player number on the side of a cap without rehooping. You get a heavy-duty stand on wheels, complete with leveling feet. The slim profile stand lets you locate the machine in an area that's convenient, and it can easily be moved when needed. You also get thread, stabilizers, nippers, and all of the necessary embroidery supplies to start stitching as soon as your RiCOMA machine is delivered. State-of-the-art software for lettering, editing, and creating designs is included in your package. Of course, you also get personal training on how to use the machine in a 2-day class taught by friendly, knowledgeable RiCOMA staff members. As your business grows, RiCOMA can help you increase your production capacity, providing the same high-quality equipment in sizes ranging from 2 to 20 embroidery heads. Here's how easy it is to make your own creation in the RiCOMA Disc software. We'll open this design of a cheerleader. Here I'm clicking on the 3D view, and now we see that the stitches are 32,000 and the size is over 6 inches. That's a bit big for what we would like to do, so we select the design and type in the size that we would actually like it to be. I'll type 4 inches. I'm going to flip the design going the other direction and click Apply. Now we see that the stitch count is a little over 17,000 and the size is about 4 inches. To add type to this design, I click on the text tool, and I'd like the lettering to be this color as the royal blue chip. So I just type in the number of that chip and it turns to the royal blue color. Next, I'm going to type in the lettering that I want, Tigers, and click Apply. The lettering appears on the screen, and notice that I can rotate it to fit the megaphone, and I can also squeeze it to fit inside the megaphone. That's pretty easy, but I can also expand and contract the lettering to fit perfectly within the megaphone. That's a great looking design. Let's go to the machine and stitch it. Load the design into the machine using the handy USB flash drive. Then just let your RiCOMA do the rest of the work. With automatic color change and automatic trimming, the design is completed in just a few minutes. What a beautiful result using the RiCOMA machine. Here's an example of a typical order and how much money you can make doing embroidery as a business. Let's say you sell 24 shirts to a small business with their embroidered logo for $24.95 per shirt. That's a pretty good price for a piece of custom identity apparel. You purchase the blank shirts from a wholesale supplier for $9 and apply a 6,000 to 7,000 stitch logo to each shirt, comfortably completing the order in a single day. Subtract the $9 shirt cost from the selling price for a gross profit of $15.95 per shirt. Multiply the $15.95 by the 24 shirts and you have a gross profit of $382 for the day. Each shirt has a supply cost of about 50 cents for thread and stabilizer for a total of $12, and your machine time is about $9 for the day based on 22 working days. So $382 minus $21 raw cost leaves $361. As you can see, you can easily make your monthly machine payment on just one order. And with just a few more orders, you can become very profitable and have a great supplemental or full-time income. Easy financing is available, making RiCOMA the easiest true commercial machine to own and operate. When people ask you what commercial machine you went with, I hope you'll join me in saying, I chose RiCOMA, and I'm really glad I did.